Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find your USDT wallet address on the Bitget application. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. The first thing you need to do is to open your Bitget application. At the bottom right corner, click on the Assets tab. Now click on the Deposit button. Now again click on the Deposit Crypto button. From the list of cryptocurrencies, search for USDT. Tap on it. Now you will need to select the blockchain network you want to use. For example, like TRC20, tap on TRC20. Make sure to choose the correct network that matches where you are sending USDT from, or you will lose your funds. Once selected, you will see your USDT wallet address and a QR code. You can copy the user address and save the QR code or share it directly from here. And that's it. Now you know how to find your USDT wallet address on your Bitget application. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.